Hello and welcome to Wednesday, October 21st, Module 5 of Unit 2. Today is async day. We will not meet together on Zoom as a class. Let's see what we have to do for today. First thing, you'll watch this video. Then you will click async. You have two activities to do in async today. The first activity is in your textbook. You are going to complete pages 30 and 31. Parts 2A and 2B on page 30 and Part A on page 31. Take a picture and upload to the comment section when you are finished. Please be sure to use dark pencil or pen so I can read your answers through the picture. So here you have the audio for part 2 and the audio here for part 3. Okay, and post your picture in the comment section. Your next activity is MEL, My English Lab Practice. So always remember to read all of the directions before you start, follow each step, and you are to complete a reading activity on telecommuting. Okay, so that is what we have to do in MEL. And that's it for our async work. So Student Services and Arts Integration is hosting two activities. So at 10 o'clock, Student Services is hosting the US election and voting. So you can get some information. All right, it's from 10 to 11:30. Here is the link, here is the code and the passcode. Please remember it is case sensitive, so the V has to be capital. And in the evening, there is a panel on colorism in Latin America. So it's about the way of life for people of different color in Latin America. And it's from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. If you are able to go, here is the link, the meeting ID, and the passcode is colorism, capital C. And that's it. Good luck.